What's up guys? My name is Alex. Welcome to the very first video of this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an overview of my journey with regards to health, fitness, body recomposition, and my mental well-being over the last 4 months. I was struggling to shed a fair amount of body fat which I had accumulated over the years. I was not sleeping well, so I was consistently tired. I was also stressed from running a business at times, and sometimes running a business involves having to deal with people that cause you a lot of stress. I was also not eating very well, and I was probably out a little too much socializing and drinking too much for my own good. So all in all, I was not in a very happy place. Then this whole COVID situation hit. Couldn't go to work, couldn't leave home, so this gave me an opportunity to think or rethink the way I lived my life. First thing I did was to get my blood work done. This would serve me as a roadmap to show me where I was going or where I wanted to head to. Then I had a friend and fellow coach keep an eye on my nutrition and diet plan, and just a fresh set of eyes to make sure that I'm on track, because every time you say, oh, I eat well and I eat healthily and it's all good, but when nobody's watching over you, it's really easy for you to fall off that wagon. I planned out a structured resistance training program. Included 6 days a week of cardio, slept early, woke early, and I've included 5 to 15 minutes of meditation daily. I'm also paying a lot more attention to my HRV and blood pressure. And I am working very closely with a mentor. Now, at least half of what I just said to you has more to do with helping me with my mental well-being than it is about getting jacked. But let me tell you how it all actually correlates. If you're having trouble with your body weight and your body fat loss, if you're struggling with putting on lean muscle mass, if you've been attending random 45-minute group classes for the last 1 to 2 years and nothing has been happening, maybe you're consistently getting injured and you're always tired. Or maybe you're a dude. You've got man boobs that you can't seem to get rid of. If it's any one of these issues that you guys are facing, or maybe you're facing a bunch of them, it may be more than thinking that the answer to all of this is to train more. Yes, we are talking about hormonal and gut imbalances. And yes, we are talking about stress and sleep management. And yes, of course, we'll be talking about nutrition and training. So what I want to share with you guys is how I elevated my life by better understanding my body. So in less than 4 months, I got myself to a better place just by understanding blood work, hormones, gut health. I took time to manage my headspace, and the net result of doing all that was that I got stronger, I sleep better, I feel great, I understand my health markers better. I brought my body fat down from about 25 to about 15% or less currently. To wrap this up, I am super excited to be doing this finally for you guys out there. As a fitness professional and coach, my passion lies within helping people. Now, what I want to do is to be able to reach more of you out there. So let me help you out, right? This is all super possible and super sustainable, guys, and that is important. So it's not rocket science. It's not about eating chicken and broccoli, and it's definitely not about going to random 45-minute classes. So if you guys think I'm bringing value to your lives, please do me a favor, do me a solid, hit that like and subscribe button. And obviously, if you have any questions, guys, please leave them down in the comment section below. I cannot wait to be putting out more content out there for you guys. So stay tuned, and I will be sure to see you guys real soon.